What's up, guys? Your boy Jason, I'm here with.
Okay, Zano.
Yes, sir. Okay. So today we're reacting to SaintFloew, Bipolar. Yeah, that's his latest song, Bipolar.
SaintFloew.
SaintFloew. So it's been a while.
Is this the first single out of the album? I'm not sure if it's after the album. But
So it's after. What's up on the last year?
I think it's only Abuda. I'm
Shit.
I'm not too sure. Let me take that back. I'm not too sure, guys. I'm not too sure.
Do you think it's after the album besides it?
I don't know.
I think
it's hard to keep track when I don't go Buddhism songs. It's only February and I think we've got 10 songs already.
This year it's gonna be fire because it feels like a competition this year because people are releasing this product.
Nah, people wanna eat, bro. People wanna eat.
That's the name of Bipolar. Yeah, so us guys, let's just get straight into the song. Like and subscribe to my voice channel.
Yes, sir.
You know the vibes. So yeah, let's get it.
Let's go.
Anditezwe magrupa ndiri icon Azi wotangori Eva ne iPhone Niggas barely move on my rifle, yeah. To niggas I'm an idol and a rival, I swear. But you was coping kinda my gun. I was robbing in the woody, me pa my mboba. Cause you rookie ari frosty and a singa goba. Steady easy ndo the bala, that's my idol, bruh. Anzi tripping ukadai wawa. Nina sisi wepa kona panechi aba. Nino karanda kaloka kunga tingaba. Saka inzwa ibaba. Let me tell you can't catch a uri bipolar. Kana fight ndoda Gucci my bona Vakati stop it mokadai mafa Ininu kandi kecha uri bipolar Kana fight ndoda Gucci my bona Vakati stop it mokadai mafa Pane ane mandudu vunza imona Pane vakapasa pahamba ikona
Zvifanani ndesa kuti zvikurova but auta one wachitamba mumashure kwake ataona zvefight kana uri bipolar
yati zvefight
but wakomana mumashure watorova
kamadhanzi manje zinozoitere manje kuti mafight yacho yazotanga manje wakomana anozoramba achirova madhanzi reti kuti wamugati
ndozvazviitika.
But yeah, I like the vibe of the song. I like the vibe.
But yeah, but the SaintFloew, is this directed to someone?
But you can catch it with Bipolar.
Because
can we does fight? We are ground.
Because he has the gens wrong one is on my street so
too much.
Wrong one is on my street. But then we will take the song as it is. We shall not escalate things.
Do that. Two songs doing out the pieces
and not point fingers. But then, but Panya Buddha and is a song in the OCD.
The OCD. Yeah, I heard that. Because I'm in command. I got things like OCD. And the not much type of rights. I mean, forget.
What do you think about that much?
I feel like I think he did alright and the OCD was supposed to release that song Pachano Yao. Because Ngumana think is those type of rights to the to the label. So you don't need to release the song unless OCD release because what I think is here. That's what I think.
Okay.
So I think if I'm maybe Ngumana got OCD new to that time, so let me just release, so it feels like, yeah.
It was the other thing is, oh,
yeah, because
I thought he recorded with OCD. I don't know, and now.
But if you
have video,
but in the wedding, I'm a caption. I saw on a video, you're going to come and OCD song.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it possible, like, you record in the label, then no song will leak the song?
But yeah, I see leak.
So, but also the authority feels like Nkomana. Your body says no, we run.
Man.
But your voice ragging, I feel like it's his voice.
Nah, do you know? Because you Panungwa signed my paper. That's how I feel. That's why I feel like OCD recorded the song.
Yeah.
OCD recorded the song, and then don't know.
I mean, I know those type of
honestly,
rights.
I don't know. But
I mean,
then, as long as
Eh.
my distribution and whatnot.
So that's why I'm saying that.
If they have a proper case,
Yeah.
mean out good. But
Exactly.
you can city proper. That's when you say who's talking. But then if
Doing my disadvantage about my label because even though this song is casco buddha.
but I don't know what you have Maria.
So as well ngomana kanonokera kati kanibudidza.
But akapiwa mari yake. One akapiwa mari, then obviously you're gonna have money for my royalties and whatnot. All that.
Yes, something
But
like that.
yeah, zvakuda maloyers.
But imagine song yoramba ichitrenda kasaka vasatwairwa
You can't strike it because this is the first video on
YouTube.
yeah.
Okay.
Zvaungatoite ndezvokuendesana ukoti hapana.
So zvokoti mzimu zoshande.
Aiwa, if those are not, if they've got a proper contract and all that
Yeah.
zvinoenda ukoti. But
Okay.
if they don't, and it was just a recording, nothing was signed and all that, fair game song yatobuda hapasina zvaenda.
Okay. So yeah, maybe pamwe OCDS ndozvambira. I mean, wakazongoti hayi kati ngosiye nazvo.
Ndiko.
Flow, ambando zvayaigona asi flow jam ndora vaizora yainini ukandibata uri desperate ndiri distant looking at a bitch face ndiri rich man coming from the deep ends get your bitch back kwangu tine difference asi nde ukandikecha uri bipolar kana fight ndoda Gucci maibona vakati stop it mukadai mafa inini ukandikecha uri bipolar kana fight ndoda Gucci maibona vakati stop it mukadai mafa
But I got it mad, man. And they mad because
Raswa.
Mauna difference from Kundamwenda to this song. Look at from video to the people in the video.
You know, I like the quality he's upgrading. You know,
Yeah,
I like that.
Really right.
I like that.
Really right.
Upgrading the quality.
Investing in yourself.
Yeah.
Knowing a difference. Yeah,
Do
really
you
right.
ever the money, the skincare? You know, the skincare.
Yeah.
So,
The people only humble because I want marry.
what is it?
Sangotendere humble. I want marry.
Ona mari.
Simple as that. I want beg.
It's too much. But yeah, I like you know, the vibe of the song, so keep doing it. The quality and stuff, you know. Kumana life.
I was really right. He deserves it. Personally, I feel like
He deserves.
I even won artist of the year last year.
And the man he didn't submit. That's the whole point.
But yeah.
And I'll submit.
The people's champion. Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, I hope you like it and subscribe. Subscribe to my person.
Yes, sir.
No vibes. Comment down below what you think of the song. So, end.
Okay, Zana.
Yes, sir.